This is the main thing, and let's go for maintenance part. So this is the TGC. This is the TGC control, gain control. So you can hear some dust will be coming, so frequently you have to clean that. And this is the trackball. You can remove, like if trackball is not moving at all, so you have to be, see here, trackball is moving as per our requirement. Okay, so if it is, you have to clean the trackball frequently to remove this anti-clockwise, and you will get a trackball. So you clean that one. And this is the alphanumeric keyboard also. You have to clean with the help of suction machine, not blower. Don't use blower, you use only suction. So in that time cleanly it will maintain. And the probes and all, see here, the probes and all neatly designed like this. You have to be, after single case, we have to be clean with neat tissue, clean and keep it. This is the main maintenance which we need to be. Otherwise this layer will be become faulty, so in that time you have to replace the whole cable. Better maintain, clear, like this. You can wipe it the gel with the help of tissue. And once clean up, patient will be present. You have to be, don't switch off directly in the mains. You have to switch off with the power button only. It will ask commands, so it will, now we are store or delete. Now I am giving, this is a test images, so I am delete all the images. Then the system exit. So system administration is asking one pop-up box. In that you can see here admin, we are logged on time and everything will be there. So log off not, you have to shut down here. After giving shutdown, don't switch off directly. You already completed this, it has to be shut down. You can see the here light indication. Otherwise you directly off means, now see, now completely shut down, you can off. Otherwise the software will be corrupt, so you need to be reload the software, or it may affect the hard disk. So this is the maintenance and using of the normal knowledge of the Logic V5 machine. Thank you.